Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We are already seeing stormy weather going on across much of the interior. And so for the rest of your Sunday, we are going to continue with isolated to scattered thundershowers extending from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape through the Northwest and Free State into Gauteng, the Mpumalanga Highveld, and the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. At the same time, we have this cold front, which is going to be pushing rain-bearing clouds into much of the Eastern Cape and the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where a rainy day is forecast for your Sunday. It's going to be dry and hot, however, across the Limpopo province, mostly sunny and comfortably warm for the western parts of South Africa. Now, we are expecting scattered thunderstorms and rainfall in the areas that you see the dark shades of blue, including much of the Free State, the KwaZulu-Natal province, and the Eastern Cape, as well as the southern and eastern parts of Mpumalanga. Isolated rain and thundershowers are forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue. It's going to stay pretty hot for much of South Africa this Sunday. Highs in the lower 30s are forecast for Mahikeng and Potchefstroom. Similar temperatures across the Gauteng province. Mbombela is expected to hit the 30-degree mark. It's going to be sizzling hot for Palabora, shooting to 37 degrees. Highs in the mid-20s are forecast for Bloemfontein and Faircombe. It's going to be pretty warm for Ladysmith. Cooler as we go towards the southern parts of the Eastern Cape, where top temperatures will make it into the mid and upper teens. Moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecast this Sunday along much of the east coast. Temperatures here are going to lie mostly in the upper teens and lower 20s, and we're expecting swell heights of the east coast to average around 1.5 meters. This swell will be coming from a southeasterly direction. Afternoon temperatures are going to make it into the mid and upper 20s for much of the Western Cape interior. Rather mild for Somerset East, peaking at just around 18 degrees. Temperatures in the lower 20s are forecast for the south coast and the southwest coastline, where fresh winds are forecast around the Muizenberg area. The winds are going to be moderate for the south coast, and we're expecting swell heights of around 1.5 meters, and this swell will come from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be fairly warm over the western and southern parts of the Northern Cape, rather hot for Upington and Priska, peaking at 33, 29 for the high in Kimberley. Fresh winds are forecast around the Cape Peninsula, where Cape Town warms up to around 24. The winds get stronger as we go further up the west coast, gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour around Alexander Bay. A sunny and warm day is forecast on Monday for Cape Town. Thundershowers persist for the northern, central and northeastern sections. It's going to be cloudy and rainy for KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern sections of the Eastern Cape.